I've been attached with the feeling of them waking up with you by my side.
I will be very honest. That's how I am, okay? I will have to be straight to the point, objective, and please do not get mad at me, okay? But with Belle, she was so grounded. Yun yung gusto ko eh. I mean, she's very pretty. She's very pretty, but she's not overly pretty. Kasi diba, I don't know if you get what I mean. May mga magaganda kasi na pagkita mo sa kanila, okay, maganda, sobrang ganda, tapos mauumay ka na sa kagandahan nila na parang, okay, maganda ka. Eh di wow. Hanggang ganun na. Yeah, pero si Belle, you know that she's pretty, but then hindi siya nakakasawa. Plus her personality pa na actually, ang unang personality na nag-register sa utak ko was her character na parang one of the boys, para siyang the good daughter na parang tatrabaho and all that. And when I met her in ASAP, ganun din siya. She's so sweet and she's so hello po, ganun. Ang bait. And then again, as I mentioned in my previous vlogs, you would know if a person is sincere or not. Belle, she's pretty, but she doesn't exaggerate or hindi niya pinapaalam na maganda ako. Diba?
It should come from, you know,
from other people.
Yeah. You know.
Hindi. Wala naman tayo pinariringgan. Sino ba? Meron. Joke lang. No, but with Belle, yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya. She is very real and she's very... Ang simple niya eh. Ang simple niya, pero sobrang ganda niya talaga. Sobrang ganda. Because there are artists na parang... Di ba yung sabi mo, nanonood tayo ng isang movie, tapos sabi niya parang maganda siya eh, pero parang flat or parang hindi recognizable. Hindi matatandaan yung mukha niya. Di ba? Yeah, but she's pretty. No question.
Yeah.
But with Belle, she stands out. And she's not afraid to make fun of her nose. She has this cute round nose eh. I like it. It's nice. I don't want to give spoilers about her nose.